Python cx_freeze error in Windows XP. I have used cx_freeze several times in my Windows 7 and I had never any problem with it, but now I want to run the executable produced by cx_freeze in a Windows XP. But when I run the program I get this error. The application configuration is incorrect. Reinstalling this application may fix this problem. I have searched for info about this problem and it seems to be that the Microsoft Visual Studio 2008 redistributable is not installed. I am going to launch this executable in many computers, so I don't want to install absolutely nothing in the system. I have read that I can just place those 4 files in the same folder than my binary is. Those 3 from this directory. c:\windows\winst\manifest x86_microsoft.vc90.crt_1fc8p3b9a1e18e3b_score9.0.2102.8_score x www_d08d037.manifest. I have searched this directories in my system, Win8, and they are not with this exactly folder. Anyway, I downloaded them from internet and try it, but it did not work. I have Python 2.7 and cx_freeze 4.3.1. I have read that if I use a lower version of Python it could works. It is true? Why? Do you know how can I solve it without installing anything in the system? Thank you very much for your help.
Thank you everyone for your help. I finally get it working with a different solution. I found other programs in my system that has this DLLs too. Eclipse was one of them, in this path. Eclipse /plugins/com.itland.binary.132_2.3.2/us/132. So I just took Microsoft.vc90.crt.manifest msvcm90.dll msvcp90.dll msvcr90.dll. This files and copy and paste them to the folder of my compiled Python code. And it works like magic. Thank you anyway for your help, D.
If you want to say more, please consider subscribing.